In this video, we will see how to create a custom report in Business Central, like how we can design a custom reports layout, which is already available in Business Central. We are going to customize it. Before we proceed, I would like to tell you that this is my GitHub page, and here I'll be uploading all the programs which I'm explaining in the video, so you can use it for your reference. And please start this page. And the next one is, this is my blog. Here I will be uploading all the instructions detail in a detailed manner, so you can, if you click on any one blog, and if you really feel that blog is very helpful to you, so you can just follow my blog by clicking here. And this is my YouTube channel, so you can see here that I'll be uploading all the videos here in a proper you can see all the videos here. And if you really like this video, that particular video, any video which really helped you a lot to learn something, and if you want to thank me, if you want to show your support, so you can click here, thanks. So in Business Central, we have multiple reports layout for different modules like order, purchase order, sales shipment, sales code, sales order, sales invoice, and many more reports we have. So we will just focus on the sales invoice now. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can customize the sales invoice report, which is already available. So let us, this is the Business Central page. There is a home page, so you can click on this search icon. Okay, here you can find the search here. Okay, click on the search, where you will see this particular pop-up. So you can just type custom report layout. Okay, so once if you try this custom report layout, you will get this custom report layouts. Okay, so click on this custom report layouts. So here you can see various layouts which are already available for you, and these are all of type Word. Okay, so only the Word format you can customize. Okay, so custom report Word layout. So here you can get it. You can find what all the reports which are available. As I told, this is sales code, sales confirmation, sales invoice. Okay, so everything you can find it here. Okay, so let us go to the sales invoice. Okay, and I'm just trying sales invoice. Okay, here you have various sales invoice available here. So okay, this is so this description is simple, email body. Okay, you have various options here. Exactly, so which one you want, you can just select it, because we have various sales invoice, right? So you can select which one you want. So here you have various options. Okay, this is for learning. Okay, this is for sales invoice blue sample. Okay, so anything sample, so I'm just going to use this. Got it? You can just select this. Once if you click on this, you can see a three dot here. Okay, so once you see this three dot here, we can just make it as a copy. Okay, if you click on this new, these are all the various actions which is available here. So click on this new, you can see an option called copy. Okay, so click copy. If you just click copy, what happens is, what a new copy of that particular sales invoice will be created. Okay, so here you can see this is what the sales invoice original, and this is what the copy of sales invoice blue simple copy, like this you can see that. So you can just rename it for now. Okay, custom sales invoice learning, for learning. Okay, so I'm just renaming it as of now. Now it is renamed, and you can see a copy. Don't use the original one, just make a copy for you, and then you can try it. Okay, so now once if you select this, no, you can go and see the option for exporting. So here you have an option called layout. So in this layout you can see export layout. Okay, so once if you click export layout, what it will do is it will process, and it will show a pop-up to store it in your local drive. Okay, importing in the sense you are importing from local to BC Central. Export in the sense you are exporting from BC Central to local file. So it is processing, it will just it will just do something, it is showing you working on it, and then finally what happens is, what it will show a pop-up window, a dialog box and it will ask you for the location to store this particular report wherever you want. So you can just store it wherever you want. Okay, so through this, no, you can make use of the existing reports as well. So it's already there. Microsoft itself, they have created so many report layouts for you. You don't want to specifically go and create a layout, you don't want to spend more time on it. Instead, you can just make a copy of the existing one, just add probably you'll be extending the reports, right? You'll be using a report extension. So here you can see that I'm storing it in the desktop. So I'm just going to name it something like sales. So sales, any name you can give, so sales invoice or whatever the name you just wanted to use it, you can just go ahead with that. So I'm just going to use sales invoice. Okay, so it is stored here. So let us just open this from here itself. Click open. So you can see that the file is getting opened. Just click enable editing so that it your file will enable for editing purpose. Okay, so here I have this developer option here. So this developer option is essential to link your business central and your word. So if it is not there, if your this developer options, okay, I hope you all can see this is a developer option. If it is not there, you can just go to file, okay, and go to the options. And in the options, you can click on customize ribbon. Okay, so in the customized ribbon, on this the ribbon, you can see a developer option. Okay, if it is unchecked, please check this. Okay, please check this code and click OK. Then you can probably see this developer option here. Okay, I hope you all are doing. So once it is done, okay, so once the developer option, once you can see the developer option, click on that developer option. You can see a screen called XML mapping pane. Okay, this is an XML mapping pane. So once if you click on it, you can see on the right side you have the XML mapping pane. Here you have a drop down. Click on this drop down and you can see that which sales invoice report we are just trying to change. Okay, if you click on that sales invoice report, okay, you can see, if you expand this header, you can see all the data which are all used in this report. You can see all the data here. Okay, so here we have done till, I hope you all done till this. Okay, so after if you expand, you can see two types of fields here. So this is what build to underscore lbl. If something is showing like underscore lbl and all, this is create, this is a parameter like something which they have created. Okay, other than that, these check that is company address 1, company address 2, which are all already there in the report itself. Okay, it is obtained from some other table. Okay, I hope you all are understanding what I'm trying to tell. lbl, you can see that this is what the variable which is created. This is not from any table, whereas this company email, company gyro number, so all these things are already there in the table which is imported in the report. Okay, so this lbl field contains actual field name in the sales invoice header, and apart from that, all other fields are value type. Okay, so we will just try to change this. We will try to add a new field with new type and check if whether it is working in the invoice template or not. So let us just try to add the document number here. Okay, so here you can see that you have an xml mapping pane. Okay, so here you can see the other options which are available here. Just to go and scroll down, you can see document number lbl, document title lbl. So these are, this is what, so they have used document title lbl here. Okay, so they have used document number lbl, everything. Okay, so we can just we can just go to the document number lbl. Okay, and if you can simply you can see here that this is document title, which is already there in the document title. So what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to just press an enter, okay, here, and I'm going to insert the document number LBL. Okay, so just right click on it, insert content, and you can just simply type here as a plain text. So you can see that the document number LBL is available here. Okay, likewise you can just add, okay, like you can add multiple fields whatever you want. So document number we have added, document number LBL, document number also we can add it. Just press an enter, just keep an cursor outside this, and you can simply press an enter here. Okay, and then you can also add the document number, insert plain text. So you can see that we are just adding, we are just customizing it. Okay, so whatever the label if you wanted to add, so here the due date is already here, due date label, due date is there. Okay, anything if you just wanted to add, if you have extended that, probably you will be creating all these label here. If you wanted to add that label also here, you can just add it. Okay, and finally we can just save it, because saving is very important. And if you wanted to use your logo, okay, anything whichever you just wanted to customize, you can just customize it. Okay, so once we all these things are done, we have to save this, and we are going to import this particular Word document to our BC environment. Okay, so we can just simply close this. Okay, now we are just going to the custom report layout page, the same page. You have to come again here in the custom report. Okay, and you can just select any invoice, like here you have selected, right? So this is what are the custom sales invoice learning. So again go to the layout pages, and here you have import layout. So once if you click the import layout, it will pop up a dialog to import Word document. So choose the Word document. It will just ask you to import the Word document, because we have downloaded from as a Word document format, and this is possible only with the customization. So I'm just selecting whatever I have did know, so I am just selecting open. Okay, so what it will do is, it will be imported from a local directory. Okay, if you wanted to copy something from your local directory to the BC, then you have to use import layout. Okay, if you wanted to save something from BC to your local directory, then you have to go to the export layout. Okay, after everything is done, we can just preview whether whatever the changes we have added, right, like document number, document whatever we have changed, that we can see whether it is applied there or not. Okay, so you can just select on this particular whatever the whatever the report we have you have inserted, and click on this process, and you can just simply run the report. Okay, so once you run the report, you can see a new sales invoice window will pop up. So you can select any existing invoice for number field and press preview. So here you can click the report layout. Okay, so here whatever the sales invoice you have, you can just simply select it. Any other thing if you just wanted to see, you can use, or if you know the number, you can simply give the number here, or you can simply select it. Okay, I wanted the sales invoice for this particular number. And then if and any other thing, okay, if you just wanted to see, you can filter, or I'm just going to print preview. So it is previewing. Now you can see, once if you click preview, the invoice report will be generated, which contains the changes we made in that particular document. That is, it will show you the invoice number, that is a document number. Okay, so let us wait for that. Yes, great. So here you can see that this is the invoice number which we have added. Okay, so we have added a new number, right? So this is what the exact template for that invoice. So this is a simple method where we can add any field in your invoice template. Okay, in our invoice template, or logos or static text according to our requirement, you can change this logo, you can change. So anyhow, if you wanted to extend the same report for your customization, then you can simply extend it and you can add whatever you want. I hope you find this video very useful. Please comment if you wanted to learn more about it. I'll be uploading all the relevant tutorials for BC. Please take care, stay safe. Bye bye.